Are you ready to take your social media game to the next level? Imagine automating your posts, saving time, and letting the tools do the work for you, all while being guided step by step by industry experts. Welcome to our live hands-on workshop on social media automation. In just 90 minutes, you'll build your first fully functional social media post automation alongside experts who will guide you through every single step. Join this interactive workshop today to take advantage of the early bird discounted pricing. But here's the catch. This price is only available to the first 5 participants. And that's not all. You'll receive live expert guidance throughout the session. No guesswork, no confusion, just direct help from professionals. You'll get exclusive SaaS access to Schogini's automation platform with no extra cost, no hidden fees. Plus, we're keeping it real with a live Q&A session. Ask your burning questions, resolve doubts instantly, and walk away confident in your new skills. Can't keep up? No worries. You'll get exclusive access to the recording so you can replay and revisit anytime. And here's the best part, it's completely risk-free. If you're not satisfied, we offer a full refund, no questions asked. Seats are limited, and this early bird offer won't last. So don't wait. Claim your spot today. Join us in this one-of-a-kind workshop and take your first step towards automating your social media like a pro. Register now at Schogini.com/workshop and get ready to transform the way you manage your social media.